If you're not using this to mine Bitcoin in 2025, then you're seriously doing crypto wrong because this thing is blowing up and I had to bring it to the channel. HashFly is leading the cloud mining platform right now and they're making the entire process so simple, secure, and super profitable that anyone can start earning without even touching a single piece of equipment. This is mining without the noise, the heat, the setups, or the massive upfront costs. They've made it easy for literally everyone, no matter your level, and the best part is that you can just log in, start your plan, and let it run. You can start earning Bitcoin with zero hassle and absolutely no need to buy or manage any hardware, and that is exactly why this platform caught my attention. HashFly was established all the way back in 2013, making them one of the first cloud mining platforms in the world. And since then, they've built a solid reputation with over 1 million users mining on their platform globally. As I said, they've made it super easy and highly profitable, and the best part is that it's all backed by real infrastructure and a professional team that actually knows what they're doing. You don't need to know anything technical or mess with setups, as they take care of literally everything. They've got a proven history of transparency and safety, and their platform is built to give users a risk-free mining experience that focuses on real returns. They built it to be accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or experienced in crypto, and their whole goal is to help people mine with confidence. And what they have achieved so far is actually wild. They are available in over 200 countries, they've received over $25 million in total deposits, over $30 million already paid out in withdrawals, and now they've got over 1 million active members using the platform. Now guys, the reason so many people are trusting them is because cloud mining with HashFly actually makes sense. You don't need to buy expensive miners, you don't need to set up anything or even maintain anything yourself. Their system is fully managed and their team takes care of the entire process, from setting up the hardware, running the optimization, to non-stop monitoring. Everything is done for you by professionals, so all you have to do is pick your plan and the profits come in. They're using the newest miners and GPU rigs, and they've been in this space for years, as I said, so they really know how to run large-scale mining operations. And security-wise, most funds are kept in offline cold wallets, and they're added extra protection so you do not need to worry about your money. Once you place an order, the system kicks in automatically, the mining starts, and payouts happen every 24 hours. What's cool is that you don't even have to log in daily. Their team is made up of real blockchain professionals and IT engineers, so they're actually equipped to run this. And even better guys, the entire mining setup is powered by solar panels, which means it's not only profitable but also eco-friendly. So since everything is fully managed and automated, the only thing you really need to do is choose the plan that fits your budget. As you can see, they've got options for literally everyone, whether you're just getting started or going full digging. You can start small with 1-day trial plans or go a bit heavier with 2-day and 3-day pro contracts. As displayed, price start from just a few $100s and go all the way up to $80,000 for their biggest pro plus contracts. Every single plan gives you fixed profits, full capital returns, and daily rewards. And the best part is you don't have to set up anything or own any equipment. As I said, no hardware, no stress, and the entire mining operation runs behind the scenes. What I also really like is how transparent the whole system is, as they don't charge any withdrawal fees, there are no hidden costs, and you do not need to worry about electricity bills, hash rate fees, or maintenance expenses. Everything is included in this plan, and they manage the funds securely, so you do not need to track anything manually. You just pick your plan, hit start, and that's it. The Bitcoin starts stacking automatically while they handle the rest. What's important to highlight as well is that your earnings come from 3 main sources. First is the actual crypto mining, then the market going up, and third, the overall growth of the crypto space. Every part of their system is optimized so that all mining power runs at full potential without wasting anything. Their model is built on real mining output and market performance, which means every cent you earn comes directly from actual revenue and not random token printing. They also use smart capital allocation and optimization to keep things profitable long term, so even when the market shifts, the platform stays stable and continues growing. And once you purchase your mining contract, your profits are calculated and settled every 24 hours, and when the contract ends, the full principal is refunded back to your account. The minimum amount you need to start is $200, both for deposit and withdrawal, which makes it easy to get in without needing a huge upfront investment. And something else I think is really cool is that they also have an affiliate program that lets you earn even more. You can join their partner program and get up to 3% commissions just by sharing your unique referral link. So if you've got friends who are into crypto or looking for ways to make passive income, this is actually a solid way to bring them in and earn together. Every person you invite who joins and starts mining through your link will help you stack extra rewards on top of what you're already earning. And with how smooth and automated the whole platform is, this becomes a really easy side stream for anyone who wants to grow their crypto bags without extra work. As you can see, guys, there are so many ways to earn with this platform, so do not miss the chance to explore what they're offering right now. I've added all the links in the description as always, so be sure to check them out and let me know in the comments what you think about this kind of projects. Until next time, this is your favorite blockchain explorer signing off.